Our latest twin oven gives you all the superpower you need to be the super chef. Presenting to you the versatile multifunctional FPO 681SS from the house of FABER. Packing in a larger cooking space through advanced engineering, yet keeping it versatile with twin compartments to cook two entirely different dishes at the same time. Or just using one chamber to cook a smaller dish. Or convert your oven into one big chamber to cook larger meals. Equipped with a food probe for precision cooking. Comes with inbuilt 18 universal auto cook functions. With illuminated chambers to observe without the need to open. Soft opening system, touch to close fully. Electronic control panels, a stunningly beautiful product. Power packed with unique features. Bring it home now before you host your next party and inspire envy and awe by laying out a diverse platter of a 4-course meal effortlessly.